All right, this morning we got the latest US CPI data and it came in on the softer side. Okay, so now we got 2 months of post economic data and we still have not seen a material uptick in inflation in North America, specifically the US as of today. So what does this mean? What are my thoughts with regards to interest rates, tariffs, and inflation? I think that a lot of the inflationary forces are being offset by weak demand, lower energy prices. And so it's kind of a tug-of-war between the sectors or the goods that are experiencing inflation versus the other goods which are experiencing really weak demand. Therefore, retailers and producers are having to cut their prices to offload inventory. So it's kind of this tug-of-war between those two forces. Who will win out, or which will win out, yet to be determined. One thing I have noticed lately is that we are actually just recently starting to see an uptick in some prices that are manufactured in the US. Namely, a couple products I buy from Costco, almond butter and coffee in the last couple weeks. Huge increase in price. Like a 2-pound bag of coffee we buy, it used to be like $12 to $15. It's now like $24. So, I mean, it didn't just jump to 24 recently, but it's jumped that amount over the last couple of years. The most recent one, I think it went from $17 to $24. So I think what's happening here is retailers and distributors were trying to keep their prices low as long as possible, and they were able to do so because they had built up inventory, tariffs, and that inventory has run out. So now they are selling post-tariff inventory. They have to pass on the tariffs in the prices. So that's what we're starting to see trickle through. So whether or not this is actually going to hit inflation numbers is yet to be determined, but there is definitely a lag effect that I just described there. Jury's not out yet, or the jury's not in yet, I should say. But we'll see. I think there is a chance that the weak demand and lower energy prices, and specifically for Canadians or Canada, the strengthening currency could hopefully offset the goods that are experiencing significant inflationary forces from tariffs. So that's what I'm seeing transpire so far. But today's latest US number showed another soft inflation number. So it hasn't hit the inflation numbers yet. I mean, if this continues and economic demand starts to really falter in the next couple of months, this will give the central banks what they need to cut interest rates as we head into the end of the year, which will lower fixed mortgage rates in Canada and variable rates. Everyone, have a good day. Take care.